Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking to monitor your blood pressure, or if you have multiple users in the house and you're wanting to make it super easy. And that is a really nice, smart blood pressure monitor. This was sent over by a company called RunStar. It's gonna come in this box right here. This is the BP201 model. Obviously, it's gonna come with an instruction and a quick start guide that tells you all about it. We're covering the features right here. It also does have a companion smart app that you can choose to utilize. It is completely up to you. You do not need to have that app to utilize the machine itself, but in that app, it'll give you little charts so you can track your progress and all those kind of stats, share it with family, friends, doctors, etc. However, this does have up to a 2-user memory built into it. So you'll notice there is a toggle between user 1 and user 2. Each one of those have an option to store up to 99 readings on here. So if you wish to go back and check out the memory through the device itself, you can do that as well. But this is what it looks like. So it's very easy to utilize. This does have a dual battery source, which is really nice. So first off, it does have a 3000 mAh built-in battery on here. There is a little door on the back, so they're automatically in there and ready to utilize. It comes with a USB-C to C cable to charge up. However, if for some reason your batteries are completely dead, you can choose to remove the door and swap in regular batteries if you wish. I just use 3 rechargeable batteries because they work very well. You'll notice also on the bottom, it does have these little anti-slip feet, so they stay nice in place. And then they also have a nice little speaker here. It's a very loud speaker that'll tell you your reading. So if you have trouble hearing or anything like that, it's very easy to hear. On the back side is that USB-C plug where you can plug it in to charge it up. Now, as far as that battery life, if you're utilizing this on average once a day, you're gonna get about 6 months battery life out of it. So you're gonna get a long life out of it. You don't have to worry about charging this thing up like every other week or monthly or anything like that. So it does last a long time. Now, just like normal blood pressure, it's easy to plug in the cuff on the sides. Then also the cuff itself can very easy to put on. It has the little instructions on here, and then you obviously have the tube, so it's very easy to go ahead and slide onto your arm. And it does support up to a 6.5 inch cuff to a 17.3 inch as far as the diameter. So depending on your arm size, it's got a nice wide range. The device itself here is about 6 3/4 inches in length. It is about 3 1/4 inches in height and 3 1/4 inches in depth itself. Now, another cool aspect of it, so once you turn it on, as you can see, very loud as far as operating. You're gonna have basically your settings button here that's gonna let you go and control the various options. You're gonna have your charts. You can go back here and look at this, look at your past readings. Then you're gonna have your arrows to move it around. The screen itself is a nice bright screen, very easy to see. This thing is gonna measure multiple things. It's gonna have advanced AFib detection that it's gonna tell you about. It's also gonna tell you if your cuff is nice and fitted. It's gonna tell you your systolic pressure, diastolic pressure. It's gonna measure your pulse, and everything is very easy to read on the screen itself. One of the features that I really like this. But like I said, if you wish, you can also utilize this in the RunStar app and have all those charted in a chart for you. Makes it also very easy to check out and utilize. But overall, like I said, if you are in the market and you're looking for an absolutely great blood pressure machine, whether it's for yourself, whether it is for multiple users in the household, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.